Hi everyone, this is Dr. Soumyashri. I'm a pediatrician at Nano Hospital, Uttarahalli. Asthma. It's a chronic inflammatory condition of your airways. That means the inflammation causes your airway to be narrow, and when the air passes through this narrow obstructed tubes, you will hear the wheeze. So what causes your child to wheeze? There are genetic factors as well as environmental factors. If one of your parent or the grandparents have wheeze or asthma, then your child is more prone to asthma. What are the environmental factors? Which is important because we can prevent it. These are called as triggers or allergens, which are seen daily around you. Most common things are your food, the dust mites, the rats, the cockroaches, the molds, the pollens. A cold, dry air can also precipitate asthma. Exercise can precipitate asthma in a child who is vulnerable to asthma. How do we know it is asthma? Usually child will have a long standing cough and it is more at night times only. Usually there are triggers. That means when the child eats something, the cough aggravates, or the child is exposed to dust, cough aggravates. So these are the pointers which tell you probably the child is wheezing. So how to investigate or how to go about asthma? When the child is brought to the OPD, we usually test the lung capacity of the child through spirometry. So what is the actual basal lung capacity of the child? And once the bronchodilator or the treatment is given, whether it improves with it or not. Or when the child exercises, whether it worsens or not. All these are the diagnostic criteria for asthma. Also, to know what the child is allergic to, you can get a skin prick test to know the allergens or an allergen specific IgE test. How to prevent your child from having further asthma attacks? One is adherence to the treatment given to you by the doctor. Don't have stigma regarding inhalers. They are very safe in children. So avoid the allergens. When you know the child is allergic to certain food, please try to avoid it. Avoid having rats and cockroaches at home. Pest control is necessary. If you have pets at home, keep the pets in outdoor or away from the child as much as possible. Avoid going to very polluted areas. Air pollution and the smoke can aggravate attacks. Also, if you are using wood as the cooking fuel, please avoid it and use LPG or the electric stoves. If your child is also having other comorbid conditions like allergic rhinitis or eczema, treat these conditions early. Obesity is a major risk factor in asthma which is refractory to the treatment. So prevent obesity or increase the physical activity in your child.